All right, we're doing pulled pork today, and this is kind of boring, but that's okay. It's versatile. It's meal prep. First, salt your meat. Pork butt, yeah. At least an hour ahead, then get your garlic ready. You don't even need to do that. But anyways, get the peels off, and then chop half an onion. You'll see what to do in a minute. Oh, there you go. Yeah, sweet onion's great. Preheat your pan if you're using stainless. Olive oil goes in. Oh, yeah. Oh, he starts with the thin ones first. Always go thin before you get the fat. No, just kidding. But you're gonna brown all sides of it. Yeah, there you go. And you don't really have to, but it gives better flavor. And I guess you could have trimmed off some of the fat, but sometimes you want it thick. Anyways, so, oh man, did he burn the pan? Oh no, oh don't. Oh, just leave it, there you go. Move the onions around, there we go. And then, yeah, that's flavor. That'll be very good, yeah, it will. Okay. Put your meat back in once your onions, garlic have got a little bit of color on it. Then you're gonna add your beer in. Ooh, and it's sapro, so that makes this fusing American barbecue with Japanese cuisine. Yeah, I think that does count. Anyways, you want the beer probably 2/3 of the way up, and then you're gonna cover it. You're gonna cook it slowly. That's about the right amount of bubbles, no more. A little bit less is good. This is a 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds, so it'll take about 3 hours or so, 3-4 hours. Flip it halfway through, give some test pokes, always, see if you can get the tip in just for a little bit there. But, still a little resistance, so you cook a little bit longer, and then when you come back to it, see how there's no resistance, it's ready. So go ahead and stick your wood mallet there, and then you can break it up, you can pull it out, you can drain it, you can reduce stock down there a little bit. I like to reduce it a little bit to concentrate the flavor, and then save that beautiful gravy for other applications, because you never know when you're gonna need a good gravy. You can mash it up a little bit, and then yeah, you got your meal set for the week, or your protein, so you're good to go. And yeah, then wash your dishes, clean as you go. Good standard practice.